Hey, what's up guys, this is Ken over at GROM Audio, and I'm back in my 2014 Lexus GS350, and I want to show you guys VLine Lite. So while the box looks the same as the VLine VL2, this is the VLine Lite, and the difference between the VLine Lite and the VL2 is that the Lite only allows you to mirror your phone, or with this dongle, use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. VL2, it's more of a tablet that goes behind your car's vehicle system, meaning that in VL2 you're able to log into, say, like your Google account, you get the Google App Store, and you're able to download different apps and such like that, versus in this Lite you're not able to do that. So, you know, some customers, they feel that they don't need the full-blown version where, you know, they're downloading all these different apps into the system and using in their car. All they really need is Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So the VLine Lite could be a better option for you. So how VLine Lite works with the Android Auto or CarPlay dongle is that we simply plug it into the USB 2 port of our VLine, like so. So obviously this would probably be hidden in your car, like in a glove box or something like that. So you just plug it in, and then on the other end is another USB connection, and we're going to connect our Android phone or iPhone to it. That will automatically bring up CarPlay or Android Auto. So this is how the connection looks like, and your cord to your phone goes here, and then on the other end, obviously, you plug in your phone. So I'm going to show you guys in the car how it looks like in our 2014 Lexus GS350. Hey, what's up guys? So now we're inside our 2014 Lexus GS350, and we're looking at the main menu of the VLine Lite unit. So as you can see on the main screen, it's very similar to the VL2, it just looks a little more basic. We still have features like local music, where you can plug in your USB flash drive to play music off of a flash drive, or there's A2DP Stream, where you can connect your phone via Bluetooth and stream audio via Bluetooth to the VLine Lite. And then we have AutoKit here. So AutoKit, that's the app for the CarPlay and Android Auto dongle. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on that. I already have my dongle connected to the VLine Lite unit. So now I'm going to connect my phone, and this is going to be for CarPlay. So as soon as I connect the iPhone, you can see CarPlay shows up, and I have my phone.
Who do you want to call?
So you can see Siri's activated here. There's music. Let's take a look at that.
Don't disturb sign on the door.
So you can see that music's working. Okay, let's take a look at maps. Here, zoom out. I can zoom in. Oops. Press it one too many times there. Here we go, zoom in. Okay. And I can get back into the main screen of CarPlay. Okay. I can click car here, and that will exit CarPlay. Alright. So next I'm going to show you guys Android Auto. So I'm going to go click back on CarKit or AutoKit, and it's telling me to connect to a phone. Connect to my Samsung Note 8. Alright, now it's pulling up Android Auto. So right now this is showing Waze, and on the bottom here has another toolbar for Android Auto, and currently that's in my music player. That's Amazon Music. Let me just click on that, show you guys music. So here's Amazon Music. So there you go, it's playing that. Just gonna pause it And then I'm going to go back to the main menu of Android Auto. So here's Android Auto. I have Pandora as well, so I can listen to Pandora. And then you can see there's other Google apps, calendars, and such. So Spotify. Alright, and then to get back into our VLine, I'll just click exit. Oops. Accidentally exit. So here it is, we're back in VLine. So that's it, guys. This is VLine Lite with the CarPlay and Android Auto dongle. And again, so the difference between the Lite and the VL2 is that the VL2 is like a full-blown tablet, and you're able to have the Google Play Store. You can sign into your Google account, download, different apps that you would want to use inside your vehicle, versus the Lite, where it doesn't have the ability to load any apps, and the primary function is to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, or you can also use local music or Bluetooth streaming. Really just depends on what suits your needs better. If you want the full-blown version, the VL2, or you're really just looking for CarPlay or Android Auto, then the VLine Lite unit might be for you.